Hi, my name is Riya and I'm from Birmingham, and for the last 32 years I've been a diabetes educator. I've met Ronald and Katrina on a platform where I had really bad skin issues, and somebody recommended me Katrina and Ronald to actually take a look at me. I was really bad, and that was last year, and I took their advice, went on the course, followed what they had to say. I realized, what happened was, it was all to do with my diet, and I was stressed as well. It was a lot of related, and I had to make a lot of changes, and Katrina and Ronald helped me in every step of the way. And now I can actually stand in front of a camera and say my skin looks glowing, and it's all thanks to Katrina and Ronald for their education and the teaching, and what they're actually putting through is fantastic. Even the education videos that they put through is so useful, and I've recommended Katrina and Ronald to my friends and family as well, that who has psoriasis and other problems, even with diabetes. I mean, I do diabetes myself, but yes, there's other things where they help out as well, and they're fantastic with their knowledge, great knowledge in nutrients and bio products as well, and the ingredients. So yes, thank you very much, Katrina and Ronald, for all your help. And obviously I'll be in touch, and I'll keep in touch, because I'm always needing help with my skin, and obviously friends and family do ask, so I will be actually putting your names through.